Mill's writing, as well as his work as a member of Parliament in England, was focused on reforms based on the rights and equality of all people. And one of Mill's most radical ideas was that everyone, including women, should have equal rights and opportunities to pursue their interests. Mill recognized the enormous limits placed on women compared to men, and argued for greater equality at great personal and professional costs. For instance, while men had broad educational choices, women could only be educated as preparation for marriage, including such tasks as cooking and proper etiquette. Mill argued that women should have the same educational choices as men, which, while taken for granted now, was incredibly unpopular at the time. As a member of Parliament, Mill also advocated for voting rights for women. Though unsuccessful during Mill's time, it laid the groundwork for the eventual extension of voting to women in Great Britain. And Mill supported no-fault divorce for women. He realized that because women were denied an education, women often lacked information about their potential spouses and were inexperienced in making life decisions such as marriage. And so Mill believed that women should be able to leave their marriage more easily, another radical idea at the time. He also advocated for women to be able to own property, and he argued for wider access to information about birth control, a position that greatly energized the British birth control movement. Mill understood that equality for women would not only allow them to reach their potential, but in doing so would benefit society as a whole. That's because, as Mill recognized, when women were free to pursue their own interests, then greater innovations would come about as a result of even more people making choices and discoveries. During his life, Mill's scholarly work and advocacy in government consistently championed equality for women, which laid the foundations for gender advances in Britain and around the world.